Ever wondered how the recent surge in Australian property values is impacting your investments? Let's dive into the latest data and trends driving this remarkable growth. Hi, I'm Rasti, an independent buyer's agent from Gateway Properties. Today, we're diving into why Australian property values have surged nearly 8% over the past year and what will drive this remarkable growth for the month of July. First off, the property values are on the rise. According to CoreLogic, Australian property values have jumped nearly 8% over the past financial year. That's about a $58,000 increase. On a quarterly basis, we are seeing a consistent growth of around 1.8%. PropTrack also noted that national home prices reached a new peak in June, marking 18 consecutive months of increase. In June alone, house prices increased by 0.15%. The unit market isn't lagging either. Prices grew by 0.32% in capital city areas and by 0.34% in regional areas. Now, let's talk about sales. The number of properties sold for more than purchase price has hit a record high. The latest Pain and Gain report shows that 94.3% of sellers made a profit in the March quarter, the highest in 14 years. However, the median profit did drop slightly by 1.1%. Interestingly, house sales were more profitable than unit sales, with 97.1% of houses. Population growth is another critical factor. Australia's population grew by 651,000 in 2023, the highest in our history, with 84% of that growth coming from overseas migration. This has intensified the national housing shortage. Victoria had the highest population increase, with Queensland saw the largest net gain from interstate migration. Overseas buyer interest has softened, with approved housing purchases by overseas buyers dropping to 2,954 in the second half of 2023. Luis Christopher from SQM Research suggests that cuts to migration numbers and increased taxation on property investors, particularly in Victoria, are contributing factors. Lastly, let's look at the lending. The Commonwealth Bank's State and Territory Quarterly Perspective reveals that Western Australia recorded the strongest total lending in the past 12 months, up by 39%, with investors leading up by 70.5%. Despite concerns about peaking, Perth's housing market remains more affordable compared to other capital cities. So, did you find this property market update helpful? Give us a like, subscribe for more, and hit bell to stay informed. Plus, join our exclusive workshop on fast-tracking your financial freedom, so secure your seat now. Links in the comments below. Thanks and see you in the next video.